Hello, third grade, and welcome to day 7 of persuasive writing. We're going to continue looking at writing that persuades or convinces someone to have the same idea or opinion as you. Today we're going to focus on considering possible objections to help strengthen our arguments. Now, in lesson 3, we looked at objections that your parents might come up with to tell you that you couldn't decorate your room. And we made arguments to state that we could, or that would go against them. Now, to create these into one sentence, we can add the objections to the arguments and support them. Now we're going to be using these objections and arguments that we made in lesson 3 to help organize our sentences. On your class kick, you have a counter argument sentence starters where you can plug in the objection and your argument. Let's do an example. You might feel that it is too much work, but I will get up early before school to walk it. So we're going to be making 3 sentences using these different sentence starters. Another one, some may say, blah, 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 but I feel that it may be true that blank. However, so all of these you will be able to use in your writing. We're going to keep this as we begin writing later on. And today we're going to be using a couple of them. So make sure that you are on your class kick for today, and we'll go ahead and get started with our writing. So we're going to choose the second one to help us with our first objection. Highlight number 2. Some may say, then I'll put in my objection, it's too much work. Type this out with me. Some may say it's too much work. And I'm going to put a check mark down here because I know I used it. Then I can add the ending part. But I feel that, and then I'll put my objection, my argument. Comma, but I feel that. I'll go down here. I will get up early before school to walk it. And maybe I'll say, I will be able to get up before school and walk it. Pause the video so you can type this out. Next one, let's use this last one. Even though you may believe that, so I'll type that sentence starter. Even though you may believe that, and I'll use this first objection. We don't have space. You can pause so you can catch up now. Comma, I would like to suggest taking it to the park for runs. Taking the dog to the park. Pause the video if you need more time. And for our last one, it's too expensive. It may be true that, we'll use this one, I hear the third one. It may be true that, I'm going to type that out. It's too expensive. Comma, however, and we'll put our argument, I will help pay. Pause the video to type this out. So when we are constructing an argument, we can use counter-argument sentence starters to help us convince them to have our opinion. Once you're finished typing all of these out, you can move on to the next activity for today.